Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In part 1 we saw the unboxing of this new glass sprouts maker, and today in this video I'll show you exactly how to use it step by step. Trust me, it's super simple and the results are just amazing. So first I've taken 1 cup of green moong dal. I've washed it nicely and put it into the jar. Next we'll add water, about half a jar full, such that your pulses are soaked properly. In the second jar I've added black chana, washed thoroughly and then filled water just like before. Basically you need to soak them overnight so they become soft and ready to sprout. So we will close the lid and leave them like this for the night. Now it is morning and this is how our dal and chana look after soaking overnight. You can see they have absorbed the water and they are soft now. Let's move to the next step. First I'm taking the moong dal jar. We'll throw away the soaked water because that water is not needed anymore. After that we'll wash it once or twice with clean fresh water. The best part is the cap itself has holes, so you don't need a separate strainer. Just tilt it slightly and the water comes out on its own. Very neat and mess free. Now once all the water is drained out, I'm placing the jar on the stand in a tilted position like this. This way, if there is any extra water left inside, it will automatically drip out. We will repeat the same process for the black chana jar. First remove the water, then rinse with fresh water and place it tilted on the stand such that the water drains out. Now to help the sprouting process, we'll cover the jars with the black cloth that comes with the set. This creates a dark environment, which is exactly what the seeds need to sprout. Choti si baat hai, sprouts actually grow better in darkness because that is how they naturally germinate under soil. We are just creating an artificial environment for them, which is same as how it happens in real. We will leave them like this for 20 to 24 hours. And now the exciting part. It's been about a day, so let's check. First I'm removing the cloth from the moong dal jar. Now let's check the chana. And here it is, so nicely sprouted and properly plumped. Black chana sprouts are actually very high in protein, so they are an amazing option if you are into gymming or fitness. Honestly, both of them look so beautiful and tempting. They are like little powerhouses of nutrition. Just look at this, soft fresh sprouts with little roots coming out. They look so healthy and vibrant. Perfect for salad, stir fry or just eating raw with a little salt and lemon. So that is how simple it is to make sprouts at home using this glass sprouts maker. Let me also share why I personally like this set. It's made of glass, so no plastic, no toxins, and it feels much more hygienic. The strainer lid makes washing and draining super easy, no extra utensils needed. And most importantly, it really saves time. Normally sprouts take around 3 days in regular plastic boxes, but with this kit you get fully sprouted beans in just overnight soaking plus 24 hours, which is almost a day's difference. Honestly, for me, this is the most efficient, hygienic and healthy way of sprouting. The link to this whole set is in the description below, so do check it out. And if you haven't seen part 1 of unboxing, go watch that first. In that I have talked about what all comes in the box, how many jars you get and how do we set up the whole thing. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such healthy lifestyle ideas. Stay happy. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep spreading the yummy vibes.